Hey guys, welcome back to Lemuel's Stock Portfolio. Don't mind this trash account here. I'm just going to go ahead and look at the IPO access area. Fair warning, I have not looked at this company yet at all. Don't know anything about it. Didn't know anything about the numbers. I see that it's going to be priced at $12 to $14 here, but this is Allbirds, and it's the new IPO on the IPO access area on Robinhood. We'll read real quick what this says. Apparel and fashion company that specializes in manufacturing eco-friendly wool shoes. The listed name for Bird is Allbirds Incorporated. Wow. That is interesting. Apparel and fashion company that specializes in manufacturing eco-friendly wool shoes. Wow, okay. All right. So, final price hasn't come yet. IPO expected 11/3/2021. Still got a couple days. What's that, like Monday? Yeah, something like that. I think that's farther than Monday. Oh, I might have to look at the calendar, but yeah, so that's the new IPO on Robinhood. I'll have to look further into them if I want more information, but that's what Robinhood has on them right now. Yeah, anyway, if you want to continue to follow my portfolio, then go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching.